How to give access to Google Forms. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can give access to Google Forms. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and see how we can do that. So for that, you can directly head over to your Google Forms application. You can go to googleforms.com and you'll be finding this interface. So in order to give access to a particular Google form, you can just head over to your Google form in which you want to give access to or manage your access settings. So once you're here under your Google form, you'll be finding your form right here with different questions and different things available. So if you want to manage up the settings, you need to go to the published option at the top right corner directly, and when you head over there, you'll be finding this section. So all you need to do is, if you want other people to edit, you can go to responders and go to manage, and here we have this option of editor view. So you can go to this editor view option and respond view as well. For now, we are going to editor view. So you can go with this option called anyone with link. So when you share the link, other people can also edit out the form with this editor view option on. Along with that, we also have this responder view, so we also can restrict and remove the link for this one as well. After that is done, after the changes is made, you can just go ahead and copy the link with other people or also use the share button. And that is it. For now, this is the method you can apply up. So you can go ahead and add up the address, and that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.